Hi everyone, welcome back to Hein Academy, and we're now solving problem number 2 on finding the location of x-intercepts of the quadratic equation. And so I'm going to jot down the equation of problem number 2, which is y is equal to x times x minus 25. Alright, so for the location of x-intercepts, there is x value. The value of y is always 0 on x-intercept points. So we will be using that concept in finding the location of x-intercepts. So since y is 0, we will be plugging 0 in y and we'll be solving this quadratic equations. So the next step is x times x minus 25. They are multiplied together, so we are using zero product property to find the value of x. So x times x minus 25 is equal to 0. So either x has to be 0, the first term or the first variable x has to be 0, or the second variable or the second term has to be 0 in order to get 0, or in other words, to satisfy the equation. So let's solve it separately, and x is equal to 0 or x minus 25 is equal to 0. And the next step is we still have x is equal to 0 or x is equal to, we're adding 25 on both sides. So we have 25 cancel out and x is equal to 25. So now we have two x-intercepts, which is at x is equal to 0 and x is equal to 25. And now we're going to write them as coordinate points, and at x-intercepts, y is always 0. So at the coordinates of the x-intercepts are 0, 0. That's the first point. And the second point is at 25, 0. And to show you on the graph, let's draw the coordinates. And we have y-axis here and we have x-axis here. So here we have 0, and so we have 0, 0. So here is the first x-intercept point, and the next point would be, let's use 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. So these are the two x-intercept points, so 0, 0 and 25, 0. And we can say that the graph is U-shaped because when you multiply x and x, you get x squared and it is positive. So if it is positive, you get U-shape. So we will have a quadratic graph like this. So basically the graph will cut at 0, 0 and 25, 0. This is the graph of y is equal to x times x minus 25, and x-intercepts are at 0, 0 here, and here is 25, 0. Those are the location where the graph cuts through the x-axis. I hope it makes sense, and now let's move on to problem 3 in the next video, and I will put the link in the description, and also I will add the link at the top right corner so you can check it out on your own. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.